Mommy is stretching. Can I have my time now, please? It's mommy time. Stretch.
I'm tired and I sleep.
It's not time to go to sleep. We gotta work out. Oh my goodness. If I fall, I'm gonna have to call the ambulance. Stop. Stop. Justin. What our morning is looking like. I was trying to do my intro, but he wants to play, so that's what we're gonna do. Can't even do my proper intro. You're not letting me be great. You're choking me half to death. I can't even breathe. Look at the vein popping on. You're cutting off my circulation, boy. Today's gourmet breakfast. See, he's outside. I have to literally hide from him in order to do a proper intro. Today I just wanted to do a simple vlog. I don't really know what I'm gonna call it yet. I'm just gonna play it by ear. I woke up to a whole bunch of snow outside. They said we're supposed to get a snowstorm or whatever, so Justice and I are in the house. Lyric's at my mom's house and Mia's at my grandma's house. It's just me and Juju, and I was just like, why not vlog? We're stuck in the house, let's make the best of it. So I am going to probably cleanse my face, wash my body, whatever else I want to do. I kind of want to give you guys like a little bit of oh my god, I almost just fell. I want to give you guys an update of what's really been going on with me. I always want to keep you guys in the loop. Stop looking at me like that. I know my hair looks like shit. We're gonna fix that. I just be going through so much. I feel like, I don't know. We'll get to that when we get there, but let's just say I've been struggling over here, okay? I've been struggling. I'm sure I'm not the only one who's struggling, but we're gonna talk about it because I feel like I've just been tested. I feel like everybody's been tested. This week in particular, it's just been bad news, like back to back struggle, just struggle. But you know what? I've learned that no matter what you go through, it's temporary. Everything is temporary. Our feelings, our emotions, experiences. It seems way worse when you're going through the situation, but then once you get over it and you jump over that hurdle and you're able to fight through that obstacle, it wasn't as bad now that you've gotten through it. But when you're going through it, it feels like the absolute worst. I wanted to take a bath, but I'm just gonna take a shower. I need to find something to wear. I'm not gonna really get dressed today. I'm probably just gonna keep on pajamas because we're snowed in. I got these silky natural fiber hyperallergenic breathable silk pajamas sent to me. I'm probably gonna wear these. Hopefully they fit me. It comes with the top, the silky pajamas, scrunchie, and a sleep mask. No plans to go out anywhere, so hopefully the roads are not like too bad in the event that I need to go out. You guys saw in my last vlog I went to the grocery store and I picked up something for the last 3-4 days. I think I pulled a muscle right here in right in between my shoulder blade and like my collarbone. I have been in so much freaking pain. I tried Tiger Balm, I tried Icy Hot. Nothing is helping me. Like, it literally makes me feel so stiff, and I don't know. Y'all send help. Let me know what I can do to loosen up this muscle. It's so deep. Like, I would legit need a deep tissue massage, but this shit is so painful that I can't even like touch it. So first things first, I like to start off with using a perfect facial oil cleanser. This is amazing by LEAFINTY. This is such a great makeup remover. It helps to remove any impurities without stripping the skin of its natural moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft and silky. All you have to do is just massage it into circular motions on your face, and it literally melts away all of your makeup. And I'm somebody who tends to go to sleep with my mascara on, and it's waterproof, so the next day it's hard to get off. This literally makes it so much easier when rubbing it on my face and rinsing it off with water. The makeup literally just comes right off my face. And I just go in with a little cotton swab just to ensure that I got all of it off my lashes. It's an ideal oil-based cleanser for all skin types, including dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, acne-prone skin, and combination skin. finally out of the shower. It felt so good, y'all. I threw on my silky pajamas, and I'm about to put you guys onto these pajamas. I'm not talking about that fake stuff. I'm talking about this 100% silk. It is so beautiful and it's so silky. Normally when I go to sleep, I just sleep in like a t-shirt or something, but after wearing this, the game has changed for you, girl, okay? But it feels really, really good. These do wrinkle really fast, so you want to make sure that you hang them up or fold them, but you can iron them. Listen, this is perfect for me right now, for the day, for vibing. I feel bougie. And it's okay to feel bougie and treat yourself once in a while. And it's okay to sleep in the best of the best, because when you go to sleep, you need to be comfortable. The way this feels on my skin right now, y'all, I'm about to give y'all a whole just, pants fit me perfectly. The top is a little bit big, but it's all right. I could wear it as a nightgown if I wanted to. But not only do they have pajamas, but they have underwear, they have bedding, they have robes, they have couples, two-piece matching pajama sets just for Valentine's Day or your anniversary, or just because love is beautiful. They also have sexy dresses, and they also have different accessories, hair clips, stuff like that. Listen, everything that you need is on this website. But I'm not done, y'all. Best part about this whole package that they sent me is they sent your girl a silk pillowcase, y'all. Do you understand how important it is when you are a natural to sleep on a silk pillowcase? Either a silk pillowcase or a silk bonnet. Listen, so now that I have a silk pillowcase, I don't need to sleep with a bonnet tonight, and I cannot wait to put this on, and it matches my color scheme in my room. So you guys want to get your own silk pajamas, you guys know I got you with a coupon code. You can save 10% off your first purchase, or if you want to gift somebody that you love. Y'all know Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Listen, get your boo something, okay? Get your boo something nice for Valentine's Day. This will definitely set the mood. Maybe not this one in particular, but you got some sexy pieces on there. It don't have to be just for Valentine's Day. It could just be for you. Self-care. Y'all, you guys know how big self-care is, and why not be sexy while you're in the house? Why not be sexy when you're vacationing? Why not be sexy all year round? So definitely check out Silky Silk Pajamas, because these are the real deal. They feel amazing on my skin, especially how I was complaining about my aches. It's so nice and soft against my skin. I just love the way it feels. Play with it. Check it out. See what you like. They have something for everyone, his and hers, okay? Get your man that silky robe, get your man in boxes, okay? I tried this new brand by Kristen S. It's a curl conditioner, and then I also got the curl leave-in cream. Let me just tell you something. I love the way my hair just looks, and I didn't even put the leave-in it yet, but the smell, oh my God, the smell smells so good. Like, I love when my hair smells good. I don't know what I'm really gonna do to my hair, being that I'm just in the house, but I'm gonna talk to you guys as I do my hair. I have good days and I have bad days, which is expected. You know, for most people, we're human beings, we're gonna go through stuff. Last week I just felt like so much was going on. It wasn't with me, it was with loved ones, and I just got overwhelmed. You know, I've been trying to get closer with God. I'm big on living my life the right way in order to receive blessings. Sometimes questioning my faith and certain things, because it's like you do so much, you try so hard, you're going on the right path, and no matter what you do, there's always something getting in your way. Like, there's literally always an obstacle for you to fight. I haven't worn my hair down like this in so long, y'all. Once my hair dries up, it shrinks, so I just put it in a bun. I just feel like these last couple of days have been really challenging. I don't know, I just feel like life sucks sometimes. Sometimes we're dealt really messed up hands, and I feel like it happens to the best of us. I'm not the only one who probably goes through stuff on a day-to-day basis, but it's so hard to mow through it and get over it. Okay, so you mow over the one thing, and then something else comes. It's just like a domino effect. It feels like that for me, and I don't know. I feel like the more I pray, the more I get in tune with myself. Every day I'm trying to do things and elevate and grow and change certain things about myself, the more I'm being tested. I know it's just the devil trying to stop me and block my blessings, because if you let him, or if you let any negativity rent enough space in your brain, you will not do anything. There's times where I get up and I'm not motivated to do anything. I'm not motivated to shower. I'm not motivated to do a video. Most times I have to pep talk myself. Sometimes I have a little meltdown before I'm able to like shake it off, and then I'm like, okay, I'm okay. I got this today. You know what I mean? I felt like this morning, but it doesn't have to be like this for the rest of my day. There's always something that we're struggling with. There's always something that we're gonna have to deal with. If I could go back being a teenager again, where life wasn't as complicated, I'd do it in a blink of an eye. And I'd probably do things and make better decisions for myself now. I can only learn from the things that I didn't do when I should have been doing them. And I guess there's more pressure when you hit a certain point in your life. I feel like every so often, every couple of years, we really evolve as people, as humans. We mature, and there's certain things that I wouldn't have never wanted to do when I was in my 20s that I crave right now in my 30s. And I feel like it's dire that I do it now. It's dire that it happens for me in this age bracket. Quick example, I want to become a homeowner. I'm 35 right now, and I just feel like at this point in my life, I shouldn't be renting anymore. There's nothing wrong with renting, but I feel like I've done that so long, and I want to just keep growing. I want to be able to see what it's like to have something of my own. I want more. I always want more. And it's okay to crawl before you walk, but I've been crawling long enough. So it's just like, I don't know, I'm impatient. I feel like every time I get close to doing something distracts me, and then I forget about it because I have to focus on something else. Life is unfair sometimes. I feel like we go through a lot of things that we shouldn't have to go through. And I know things are lessons. And if you're a believer, it's like in God's timing, but it's just like, why do we have to keep going through all this pain? You know, it's like a storm, tornadoes, hurricanes, everything, you name it, before the sun comes out. But by then, your body has been through everything already, even though it prepares you and it strengthens you, but it still takes a lot out of you. Sometimes you don't want to talk to anybody about it because you get the response like, gonna be okay, you just have to be strong. But what if you are tired of being strong? What if you were being strong your whole life? That's literally all you know. There has to be a point in time where you don't have to be strong. I feel like being strong is so heavy and so much of a task to do every day, because that means you have to always pretend that you're okay when you're not. That can be heavy in itself, trying to make yourself believe that you're okay every day when you're really not. That right there is stressful. Sometimes it's okay to break for a few minutes to get it out, you know? Holding on to anything, holding it in is more painful than actually letting it out. And I had to realize and come to terms with that I don't always need to be strong, that I'm not weak if I cry. That doesn't make me weak because I'm crying. It shows I have feelings, I have emotions. Some people just don't understand you. You know, nobody will actually understand anything that you tell them unless they're actually going through it or they've been through it. And that's what I had to realize. I can sit here and tell you guys everything that I've ever been through in my life, and you guys can be like, oh, well, you know, but you'll never really understand it unless you went through it. People don't really care about what it is you're going through. If it doesn't benefit them, they don't really care, or it doesn't affect them in any type of way, they don't care. So I've learned to just deal with stuff by myself sometimes, which is really different from me because I'm very vocal and I like to express myself. Because at the end of the day, I don't want to hear any criticism, negative feedback, especially when I'm going through my own shit and my own trauma and my own stress. I'd rather talk to myself, comfort myself, and work through it by myself instead of hearing something that may make me feel 10 times worse than I already feel. So disappointment is one of the biggest things that I'm learning how to deal with. I've always been disappointed in my life, and I took that hard. I had a hard time with anybody telling me they'd do something and not do it, or just being disappointed within myself because I wasn't able to accomplish something. So that's something that I'm working on this year, is disappointment, and how to deal with it better, how to prepare myself for it if that may be the result, because something that can really break you down. Have your hopes built up and your dreams, and you're so excited for something to happen for you, and then it just doesn't. That can be heartbreaking. It's not something that people can usually just get over, especially somebody like me who has been through a lot of trauma and a lot of things in my life. I have certain triggers, you know, and disappointment is one of them. This week was crazy for me. I actually started going back to therapy. I did take a break for a few months, and I noticed that that's when things really started to get really chaotic and hectic because I wasn't doing what I needed to do to better myself. In that session as well, I felt like I was being tested as well. It was the first time in that session where I wanted to just like flip the table and just like curse my therapist out. But I know that these are things that are being thrown at me to see how well I'm going to handle everyday life. It's not going to just be what's going on inside my house. It's going to be outside things. It's going to be job things, people. I'm realizing that it's how you handle things. It's all about how I handle things and how I let them affect me, as well as my response. So that's just it. But I just want to do a little life update. I don't know if I'm the only one who just has these moments of just like, I don't know, feeling like doomed or just unhappy in the place where I am right now, because I want so much more. I talk my shit, I cry, I do whatever I need to do, and then I get it together. But it's really hard to just keep pushing forward. It really is. It's really hard to push forward. But again, you have to take things one day at a time. And the days that you do feel good, cherish those days and appreciate those days, because for me, it feels like it gets taken away from me in the blink of an eye. So enough of my rants, okay? I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. I may just take a nap and I may just pick up the vlog again later. I think that's what I'm gonna do.